Do you want Instagram to show you exactly what you like? In this video, I'll show you how to train the Instagram algorithm to display the content you actually want to see. So, if you want to know how it works, just follow me step by step. The first thing you have to do is to go to Instagram app, as you see, and you will click here. Then you will find this sign of your profile, so you will enter to your profile. After that, in this page you have to go to above to these three lines, so you will enter here. Then in this list you will scrolling down until you find a window called What You See Content Preferences. So you will click on Content Preferences in that way here. And then here in this page you will find your algorithm, and you will click on Algorithm. And after that, here as you see, they will give you your algorithm and what you want to see more of, and you can find here a lot of things here they choose for you. Here they choose for you a lot of algorithms, so you can delete whatever you want here. For example, let's delete this. You'll find here watch reels, why you were seeing this, move to see less, or remove interests. You can choose, for example, just move to see less or remove interests at all. Also here you will click or you will tap on this sign of add, and here you can add your interests. For example, you can choose here sing or something like that, and then you can tap here to find it or to add it here, singing like this. And also you can add what you want to see less of. For example, let's try if you are sensitive about horror things or terrifying things, you can add it here. And you click on done, and you click on this here, or scary, for example, scary content here. You can add it in that way, and they will show you less of scary content, as you see here. So this is how you can manage your algorithm in easy way, and how to learn simple tricks to control your feed, reels, and explore page by interacting the smart way. So if you are enjoying watching this video, and if this video is helpful for you, don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time, and thank you for your watching.